Ladies, it's almost time for Sacred Waters Herbal Retreat for Women of Color, Tennessee 2023. We have an amazing new lineup and some old favorites. Most importantly, we have two huge announcements. 1. We heard your wishes, and while we can't make this a week-long retreat, we have added an additional day so that participants can enjoy themselves a little longer. So mark your calendar for May 25th through the 28th, 2023. Number 2, we have outgrown our original space, so we're moving 30 minutes down the same country road to an impressive location participants will surely appreciate even more. This brand new location at Paris Landing State Park provides hotel resort style vacation on Kentucky Lake near Land Between the Lakes. Features include modern room design, conference space, a full-service restaurant, bar, and lounge overlooking scenic lakes and natural beauty. We have a beautiful room waiting just for you. Grab your girlfriend, split the room cost, and get registered. Each room features 2 queen beds, a spacious bathroom, and a beautiful balcony overlooking Kentucky Lake. Our special group rate for lodging only is $135 per night per person, double queen bed room. Call the hotel at Paris Landing State Park and Resort to reserve your room today. 731-641-4465. Use group code 1158 when booking your reservation so that you can receive the Sacred Waters Retreat discount. Registration for alumni begins November 1st through the 15th, 2022. Be on the lookout. Early bird registration begins November 16th through December 16th, 2022, and we will offer a discount of $45 for anyone registering between that period. General registration will open December 17th, 2022, and run through April 30th, 2023. We look forward to seeing some of you. And if you can't join us, do us a favor and please share our information on your social media platforms and your women groups. Feel free to email our office if you have any questions at sacredwatersretreat@gmail.com. And in the meantime, we look forward to seeing you at the water.